Well, 2 days after the Haldia-based cargo firm ABG decided to move out of the city, alleging that their workers were abducted and threatened, the TMC has hit back at the company, accusing them of blackmailing the people of the state. Meanwhile, the factional war between the TMC and the trade union INTUC continues to intensify, with a fresh round of protests against the government for allegedly exerting political pressure on the cargo major and forcing it to leave.
The single-light pull-out of the cargo firm ABG from Haldia, triggering a massive political storm.
You have been with Mamta for last 15 months. You were there from April 2011 till about a month and a half back. You never raised it. You raised on left.
You have been there with Mamta for 8 years.
You at the center.
You were there with her for 16 months and 3 months in 2001. It is the BJP that she has been actually for 8 years.
What happened in Haldia is not labor movement. It is plain thuggery.
It was fortunate that
does not run the port. It is the government of India. It is the shipping ministry.
With Bengal Chief Minister Mamta Banerjee drawing majority of the flag. A day later, the under-fire ruling Trinamool Congress launching a counter-offensive.
ABG is trying to blackmailing everybody. They are not interested to do their work in Haldia.
Outright denial and direct countercharge. Mamta's party men have hit back, even though the protest against the state government growing louder.
There is clear division among the workers of ABG in Haldia. One section is holding the local TMC MP Shubhendu Adhikari responsible for forcing ABG out of Haldia and blaming the Chief Minister for not taking enough initiative to hold them back. Another section is still fighting under the patronage of the local TMC MP and demanding job under any company that comes to operate at berth number 2 and 8 at Haldia dock.
সাংসদের ভূমিকা খুবই দুর্ভাগ্যজনক। উনি এখন অবধি এবিজির পক্ষে কোনো কাজ করেন না। আগের মাসে 22 তারিখ উনি বলে দিয়েছিলেন তোমরা আন্দোলন চালিয়ে যাও, এবিজিকে কাজ করতে দেওয়া হবে না, আপনারা আন্দোলন চালিয়ে যান, আপনার সঙ্গে সরকার আছে, আমি আছি, প্রশাসন আছে।
এখানে ভূমিকা সত্যি খুব দুঃখের বিষয় যে আজকে এই কোম্পানি এত বড় ইন্টারন্যাশনাল কোম্পানিকে আজকে হলদিয়া ছেড়ে চলে যেতে হচ্ছে। ওনাকে বাধ্য না গেলে এখানে তার মাথায় চেম্বার টেক আছে।
These workers are bearing the brunt of the sudden pull-out decision of the cargo firm, and they are quite vocal about it. Bureau Report, Times Now.